Do you want to instantly convert your YouTube videos into blog posts? In this video, I'm going to show you a tool that does exactly that. This is videotoblog.ai, and this is an AI tool that converts your YouTube videos into blog posts. So this is the homepage of the videotoblog.ai website. I've put the link in the description for you to follow along with this tutorial, and I may get a commission. So on the website, you will find we have a bar over here which says enter a YouTube link. You can enter a YouTube link or you can upload a file, which means you can enter a MP4 file of yours, which has a full video in it. And then it's going to transcribe it and it's going to make a blog post out of it. So I'm going to enter the YouTube link. I already have a video that I released 3 weeks ago on my main channel, which is a free Sora AI alternative, Luma AI tutorial. So I'm going to just click on this share button and copy this, go back to video to blog, and here in the enter a YouTube link, I'm going to Control and V to paste this over here. And it's going to automatically confirm that this video is active. And below it, you will find these 3 options, which is you can add visuals, add screenshots, stock images, and or choose a featured image or video. I'm going to click it. For the featured image, let's click on it. It's going to give us a drop down. Inside it, you can click on video thumbnail, and you can add screenshots and add stock images. I'm going to click on add stock images, and below this we have add links. This is all links to be automatically included into your blog by the AI. Yes, let's click this and include links from the description. Yes, let's click this as well. You can add more links to be included in your blog if you want, or you can add a sitemap here. Below it, we also have add a CTA, which is called call to action. If I click this, I need to sign in. Let's sign in. Continue with Google. And I'm going to sign in with Google with one of my accounts. Now I will add a CTA, which is going to give me this option, a pop-up. I can add here title and a description and the button text. You can change this by clicking here, and then you can backspace this and you can type something else. Just say click me or something. And then button link, you can give this a URL where if someone clicks this button, where do you want them to be redirected to? You can click, put the link here. Position, if you want to position this in the middle, beginning, in the middle, it's going to be positioned in the middle of the blog post. If you make it end, it's going to appear at the end of the blog post. And just like that, if you click on beginning, it's going to appear at the beginning. And you can change the background color by clicking here and changing the background color like this, and it's going to change the background color. I recommend keeping it white or black, up to you, your liking. Let's add it. It's asked for please add a link to your CTA, so I'm just going to enter my website link. Now my website link has been added. I'll just click on add here, and our CTA has been successfully added. Now here you will have more settings, which is the first one we have core settings. So inside it we have length. This is if you have a short blog, let's say you have a video which is under 15 minutes, you can select short. If you have a video which is above 25 minutes, you can opt for medium or long, which is hidden behind a paywall. And I'm going to show you how to get it on a lifetime deal, which is currently available at the time of making this video. On the free plan, you can only create short blogs, which is in 700 words or less. Language, you can select a language. You have all these languages available. You can pause if you want to see if your language is available here. I think all the languages are available in this. You can just select auto here. And writing style, this is tone. How do you want the blog to be written? Which style do you want the blog to be written? You can click on it. You can make it auto, or you can have all of these options like hopeful, sad, pessimistic, happy, serious, friendly, energetic, and professional. That's up to you. Then below it, we have point of view. This is, do you want the blog to be written as a third person, or do you want the blog to be written as a first person and such? We're just going to click on auto here again. Now next we have add-ons. Inside it, we have add table to contents. This is like this. On my website, I have table of contents like this. And if I click on it, it's going to have all these options. This takes in the H2 heading of your blog, the titles of your blog, which is H2, and it's going to take in inside the table of contents. And if you click on any of them, it's going to redirect to that section of your blog post. Next, we have add FAQs. So it's going to be added at the end of the blog, which is very much needed if you want to rank on your blog on Google search. You can add FAQs, like let's take an example of videotoblog.ai. There will be FAQs like, what is video to blog AI? Does video to blog use AI? Is video to blog free? These type of FAQs, that is frequently asked questions, can be added at the end of your blog post. Now below it we have blog structure, which has format, use chapters as outline, use emojis, and time range. You can add the time range. Let's say your video has a time range of 30 minutes and you just want to have the certain section of it covered in the blog post. You can just drag either of these ends and change the time range of it. Then on top of it, we have use emojis. If you want the generated blog to have emojis in it, you can enable this. And chapters as outlines. So I'm going to enable this as well. Format, just click on auto for this one, but you have all of these different options: tutorial, news report, product review, listicle, interview, summary. Or you can add a new format as well if your format is not available here. My video that I added here was a tutorial, so I'm going to just click on this. Now if you scroll up, you will find this save template. If you do not want to keep doing this again and again, like if you don't want to change the settings again, you can save it as a template. You can name your template. I'm going to just name it test for this one and click on OK. And we have a template saved here. Now every time you come here, you can just click on this template and it's going to add all the settings that you have in this template. Now, if you scroll up, you will find create a blog. Let's click on it. Also, before we see the generation, I'm also going to show you that you can also add custom instructions in it. Like if you click here, you can say, you can add custom instructions, like all of these options, like write in the same style as this blog, or include a table with relevant data, or write in a conversational tone. This I like write in the same style as this blog. Let's say I add, this is Adam Infroy. I'm going to take his link of this blog post and I'm going to go back to video to blog. And here in the custom instructions, we're going to test this out. Write in the same style as this website and I'm going to paste the link of this and let's create the blog. Okay, now it has started writing the blog in front of us. It writes in real time, like you can see here. It took a few tries to get it to work. I've seen that I have to retry it a few times. The first two times it was just telling me to retry it again and again because it's not able to catch it. It just keeps on saying that does the video has audio in it. Now, so here our blog has been created. You can see the title, the thumbnail, and you can start reading the whole step by step here, which is intro first, then text to video, then enhance prompt, extend video, image to video, enhance prompt again, and we have our CTA over here, which is call to action that we added at first while generating. Then here we have keyframes. We've got pricing, outro. So yes, this is good. Let's click on regenerate. I'm going to add screenshots this time. Let's click on regenerate. Let's see if it adds the screenshots from our video. The generation is very good. I can see whatever I said inside the video about Luma AI is currently in the blog post. And it has been reformatted in a sense that it makes it nice to read as a blog post. I've talked about image to video, keyframes, pricing, And I've also said an outro, text to video, intro. Okay, so there you go. It has added the screenshots from our YouTube video. So here you can see in the text to video, it has not added the right one. In enhanced prompt, I'm happy it added the Luma AI picture. And here as well, extend video, it also took the correct photo. And again, in image to video, it took the right one. Keyframes as well, it took the right one. If it had taken like 2 seconds further, it would have been much better. And in pricing, it should have taken the picture of the pricing section. So I'm not happy with the pricing picture over here and the intro picture. It should have added this intro picture above in the step 1, and the text to video should have been different, and the outro as well. This I feel it should be an outro, and pricing should be a different picture. Now, if you don't like it, you can just delete it and add your own picture from your video. Screenshot your image that you want to add and can just add it. But as you can see, all the other images that it added from the video, it's been good. Just click on this image and then you can select the screenshot, select another screenshot. It's going to fetch the video. Let's see what it does. I have a feeling that you can keep fetching the video. If you do not like the picture that it had here, it's going to add another photo from our video and put it here. So let's see if it does that. I'll be very excited for it. It took a long time to fetch the thumbnail from the video, so I refreshed it. And whenever I try to fetch another thumbnail from the video, it just keeps on saying an error. I'm going to try and refresh it again and go down and try to select another thumbnail again. Okay, let's go up and try with this one. Okay, I tried it a few times and I'm not able to make it work. The thumbnail is not changing. It's not fetching the video, and it's not changing the thumbnail. If it would have worked, I would probably have been more excited for this tool. It says it's just going to take a minute, but it just keeps on loading. And every time I refresh it, I get back to this page where our blog is. And if I try to select it again and try to select another thumbnail, it's going to start it again. And it's the same as the last one. Like if I try to click on it and change the thumbnail, because it was trying to fetch the video and I refreshed it, so it just says something went wrong. And it keeps saying that for both of them. It either works or it doesn't work. Maybe currently it's not working. There must be something with their API or something which is not working for this. Even if you cannot do it automatically, you can just right click on this and click on image. You can add a link to the image, new image, or you can upload from here. So I added an GIF file that I found on Jiffy and it has been inserted. So this is working. And you can add an alt tag. This is needed if you want to get your website's image ranking on Google's image section. You need to add an alt tag for that. Now, if you do not like something in this blog that it generated, you can just click on regenerate it again by clicking on this button, and you can export it from here. You can export it. You can download it as an HTML file, or you can download it as a text markdown format. You can also download it as a Word doc file or a PDF, which is currently behind a paywall, which I'm going to show you next in the pricing plan, how to get this tool on a lifetime deal. And then you can unlock these options for a very low cost. Then you can enjoy this tool for a lifetime. You can also export it to your WordPress.com blog or a WordPress.org. You need to integrate it first. So let's see how to do that. They also have Medium integration and Blogger and ghost.org as well. Let's click on this button to remove this. And next to it, next to the export button, we have these three dots. If you click it, we have all these options here. Let's click on the first one, Content Analyzer. We have got a Surfer SEO type content analyzer here. It looks really good so far. It has AI content detector, which says that this blog appears to be written by a human. It seems to be, it's using ghost.ai. What this is, it's a free humanizer, AI humanizer detector. Okay, so that's good. That is using a separate tool to detect if this blog is written by AI or is written by a human. It says 100% chance this blog has been written by a human. Okay. Readability, the blog is written at a second and third grade reading level, which is good because most of the people would love to read or hear something on YouTube or read on a blog which is below sixth grade level. You do not want to use complex words on a blog or a YouTube video. Under the content, we have metadata. This is meta title, which is going to be helpful for you rank your blog on Google. So you need to write the correct meta title for it. It has automatically generated it from the video. And then we have meta description as well and the slug. You can copy from here, regenerate it again. The tags are fine. And next to it, we also have promotion. Let's see what this is. It's for, okay, it also creates these posts for your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, email promotion. This is also very good. I've not seen it in any other tool currently, that it also creates a blog and then it also creates these other social media posts that you can just copy from here and then you can paste it, which is really cool. And it also has this Surfer SEO style blog post score, which says it's excellent right now. Let's press on this X button and click it again. We have revisions history, which is something they have recently added, which says new here. And you can have these revisions. So it's like a backup, basically. You can use the revision which you did, something you did like 19 minutes ago, and you want to go back to that revision. You can do that by clicking over here. Then next we have promotions. We have already seen it. The transcript, the premium transcription that it did from our video. You can see the whole transcription it did. And these three dots, you can retranscribe it or you can copy it from here. Yeah, there's no errors here. It has taken the transcription, and if there were some errors, I think it had corrected it, which is also pretty good. Next, let's click on these three dots again, and let's go to AI content detector. I think it's also the same thing we checked before. Okay, let's click on three dots again. Click on these more. And so it says that more options are available, which is highlight text or type / anywhere in the blog to see manual options like adding custom AI images, AI writers, local images, manual screenshots. Okay, let's test it out. Let's go to our blog. Let's click here. Let's enter and /. Okay, nice. We have all these options. We can add an FAQ. We can add table of contents. Let's click this. Okay, that's very good. Then let's go down here. It added all the table of contents. It seems nice. Then below this outro, let's click here and enter and /. Let's add FAQs. Let's see what it generates. Okay, so here you can see the basic questions that people ask. So how do I create a video using Luma AI? What is Luma AI Dream Machine? Can I enhance my prompt after generating a video? Is there a limit to how many videos I can generate? Can I animate my own images with Luma AI? Okay, this is really good. Like it took I think it searched the internet for all these FAQs, or maybe it took it from my video. I'm not sure. These are really good FAQs that it found. And we have also got our table of contents, which is also really good. It has added a URL with hashtag. Once you have imported this into your blog, which could be on Medium or WordPress or Ghost, and inside there, if you click on one of these, it's going to redirect to that particular section that way. slash, and we've got all of these other options as well. Like you can edit your blog with all this. So you can add the video thumbnail, the video as well, stock image, screenshot, which again says something went wrong. Okay, let's add a video. Okay, it does not add the video automatically. Like I thought that is because we have already like uploaded the video link. I thought it's going to just automatically take the video link and it's going to paste it here, but doesn't seem like it. It needs the code again to embed. So you need to type the source again, and then it's going to add it over here like this. And then you can resize it by clicking on the corners. And let's do a slash again. And then we have AI writer and AI image. Let's try the AI writer first. I'm going to type in what is Luma AI generate text. And it has created this result, which is not correct. Maybe I need to type in Luma AI Dream Machine. Okay, so this is again not correct. This is something else. This is talking about 3D assets, which the site is not. The site is about text to video or image to video generation. So let's just avoid this for now. It can be useful for certain other things, like let's say I type in what is text to video. Maybe this one would be good for these type of generations. Generation, scene generation, text to video technology. Okay, this one is good. You can add some like common questions to it and write a certain section of the article for you. Slash again, and let's test out the AI image generator inside it. I'm going to say cat walking in forest. Let's just try a simple style. Let's say fantasy and the forest question mark. Generate the image. Okay, the generation is quite good. I think it's at the level of DALL-E 3 or something. Let's try it one more. Let's insert this and try one more. I want to see if it can generate a really good. Okay, I think the generations are either from Leonardo AI, Midjourney, or DALL-E 3. I'm not sure, but I think it's at the level of Midjourney. So let's insert this again. Now on the left hand side, we have got these 4 buttons. The first button is just to extend the menu bar. And this is dashboard and settings. Dashboard, where does this take us? Okay, here. And it shows my blogs here. You can create another blog and you can create a new folder. And I think you can drag and drop here, or you can move to a folder. Okay. You can click on these 3 buttons and you can move it to the folder first, like this. Okay. Now here we have settings. Let's go here. So here in the settings, we have defaults. This is first, we have language. It's already selected at auto. And it's best if you keep it at auto. Maybe you have 3 blocks that comes in with different languages. So it would automatically detect it and it will make the video in that language. And if you keep making videos in English, you can just select the English language. If you make videos in French and such. So these are all the languages available. Now integrations, you have these integrations here. If you have a ghost.org blog, if you have a blogger blog, in WordPress.com, they already have it hosted for you. So that thing, you can connect it with it. Or if you have a self-hosted WordPress blog, if you have already self-hosted it on a hosting plan, then you can connect it with the WordPress.org from here. This is very simple. You need to give it a website address, username, and application password. I'm going to put a link in the description on how to connect these type of applications with your WordPress website. You just need to add the website address. You need to add the username and application password. You need to create those. And you can also click here to see where you can create it and such. You need to create a new application password in your user settings. Now you also have this usage below, which says blogs generated this month. So it says 1, your account, your email, password, or upgrade, sign out, Contact, you can contact for more features. Follow, probably you can follow it on Twitter, I think. Yep. And then you got give a testimonial, help contact us. You can also delete the account. You should not delete it, but it's just there. All the tools, they have this option, delete an account. You can do. This third button is for creating a new blog. Okay. So that's it for video to blog. And now for the pricing, let's go over to videotoblog.ai/pricing. And here you will see that the video to blog is free for 1 blog per month. And for monthly, it's $14 per month, which gives you 10 blog posts per month. And it has unlimited regenerations. So if you create one blog, doesn't mean that it will take in 1 credit each time if you regenerate it. So you can just keep on regenerating that blog post if you do not like it. And there are videos up to 3 hours long. If you have videos above that 15-minute mark, you can create a blog post of that. It has up to 2,500 words per blog post. Auto screenshots, it takes auto screenshots here. It has stock images as well. And I believe that it's going to be, it will give you better stock images if you subscribe to the paid plan. And it also has AI edits. These I think were all available with our one blog, which we got in the free plan. And then Pro and Pro Plus, you're already seeing the plan features here. Yearly just drops the price by 35%, which is starter plan. It starts at $9 per month, goes all the way up to $69. Now, how to get the lifetime deal, which I was talking about in the beginning of the video. It's available on AppSumo. AppSumo is a place where you can get lifetime deal of many tools out there. So this is the page where you can get the lifetime deal. And it starts at $49, which is tier 1, goes all the way up to $999. And it has a 60-day money back guarantee. Maybe you do not like the tool, you can just get the money back within 2 months if you do not like it. Now, if you scroll down, they also have a video of this created on their page and all the screenshots here. And all of the features are included in this AppSumo page. And all the features are included in all the plans. So here, license tier 1. The only difference between these tiers that I'm seeing here is the number of blogs that you can create. I think this one is probably the best AppSumo deal that I think, because all the other AppSumo deals that I found, they all have these, on tier 1, they would restrict something, and on tier 2, they would like give a feature back, and then tier 3, they would give another feature back. So they restrict based on the tiers. But here you're just having restriction on the number of blog posts that you can create. So on the tier 1, you can create 10 blog posts, and tier 5, you can create 200 blog posts. So that's up to you. How many blogs do you want to create per month? You can choose it based on it. And down here, you'll find the person who created it. It's Andrew from Video to Blog, the company and product FAQs. And below it, you will have helpful links. So the blog, Facebook group, and such. And down here, you will see questions that are created by the users on AppSumo. Other video sources. There's that ability. If you want to change from language A to language B, it's also possible. They already have told you here. They already have told you here that under the more options, there's a field to specify a language for a blog to be written in. Okay. Yes, we have already seen it in this tutorial. Now, let's check out the reviews. Reviews have been really good. All the reviews have been positive. There is no review which has been bad, I think. Let's check out all reviews. Yep, all the tools, all the reviews, the 8 reviews have been 5 tacos, which currently means that the tool has been liked by all the people out there. So I think it's really good. And again, if you feel like you do not want this tool, you can just get the money back within 2 months, which is 60-day money back guarantee. So that's also good. And in terms of rating, I would rate it 9 out of 10. I think it's a very good tool. in video to blog. The only alternative that we have is Blogify, which is also available on AppSumo. The only issue that I found with this was not able to auto regenerate the thumbnails that was fetching from the video, that it was not able to do. Other than that, I think it's a perfect tool. It also have Surfer SEO like features, and then you can also generate AI images, which looks really good. I think it's taking it's generating the images from either Midjourney or Leonardo AI, and that I'm not sure. I'm just based on my speculations, but yeah, like the quality of the generation was really good. Then you can also, then it also like automatically adds the metadata and meta title that is useful for search engines, like it says here. Automatically adds the images. It also adds the alt tags, which you need to add in other tools. And then SEO metadata is here to stand out in search engines. Also, I've seen on other YouTube videos to SEO blog type tools, they usually get the transcription bad. So the transcription is not correct. There would be like if I just transcribe this video that I had, it's going to change the Luma AI to some other word, like it would make it incorrect. It would just mess the entire blog post. So in this one, that's not the case. Let me know if you like the review of this tool and which one do you want me to review next. Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like if you found this review helpful.